Okay, here we are guys, another video here. Candy has decided to join me as well. So what we're going to do here today, we're going to review this, or actually going to unbox this razor here, this Remington virtually indestructible cordless foil shaver here. Okay, and two blade, what it says on here, 2-blade intercept trimmer, 2 flexing foils, up to 60-minute runtime. Includes shaver, stubble attachment, charging adapter, cleaning brush, 100% waterproof, advanced rechargeable power with 5-minute quick charge, pop-up trimmer, automatic worldwide voltage, and lifetime warranty. Maintain peak performance for best results. Replace shaving heads every 12 months. And that is the SPF-PF shaving heads. So there it is again. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. I got this from Amazon a couple days ago. I swore off Amazon a couple weeks ago, and here I am again back with Amazon. So we'll see how this thing is. Hopefully somebody hasn't used it. Okay. Okay. There it is. There's the razor right there. Okay. Feels pretty good. It's got the, it's like it says here, the 2-blade intercept trimmer and then the 2 flexing foils on either side. But of course we'll take it out of the plastic so you can get a better look at it. And you probably have noticed that got a bit of stubble going on my face. That's because I'm going to be growing my beard back again. So the shave I do with this razor will be on my head. So there it is. There's a close-up. Okay. There's the 2-blade intercept trimmer and the 2 flexing foils. Turn it on here. Oh yeah, it's got some charge. You know, this actually, just my first impressions on this thing, it actually feels pretty good. And when you turn it on, it actually feels like it has some power to it. Here's the pop-up trimmer. Let's have a look at that. Let's turn it on with the trimmer open here. Okay. So it says the shaver is included, the stubble attachment, the charging adapter, and the cleaning brush. So fairly straightforward, obviously. Instruction manual. As I always recommend though, download the PDF from the Remington site or any user manual. I always recommend downloading the PDF and just setting this aside. My dad used to, when he would get something new like this, he would always write the date on the front of it. You can do that too, or you can enter it in your phone or whatever. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I had to open up the box from the bottom to get to the adapter, and here's the stubble attachment as well. So there's the stubble attachment. Let's try to put that on here. I don't know how that would work. It's probably best suited to be a protective cap. I don't know. Guess I can try that as well at some point. Here's the power adapter, standard power adapter, and of course the cleaning brush, which just with a single end on it. It's not double-ended. So there we go. Pretty simple, guys. It's not there's not a lot of stuff to this at all. But we'll just we'll close the bottom box flap here, and we'll give this a fair trial. But yeah, again, cleaning brush, power adapter, stubble attachment, and of course the main course, the razor. So there you go. That's what's included. We'll give it a trial run later. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also visit www.electricrazorwrap.com and join the discussion. Lots of discussions currently on different types of razors, so let your voice be heard. Right, Candy? Yes. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video where we shave with this.